With solid technological expertise, a leading industry position, and outstanding business performance, Unitree Robotics, the most renowned robotics company in China, has officially completed its IPO process. It announced its listing on the STAR Market of the Shanghai Stock Exchange on August 19, 2026, with stock code 688836. Becoming the first humanoid robot company listed on the Ashare market and a key player in high-performance general-purpose robotics, drawing significant attention from both the capital markets and the tech industry. The initial public offering priced at 150.8 yuan per share, with a total issuance of 40.4464 million shares, resulting in a post-issuance total share capital and market valuation of approximately 60.993 billion yuan. Regionally planning to raise 4.202 billion yuan, Unitree ultimately raised 6.099 billion yuan, exceeding its target by about 1.8 billion yuan. This substantial capital reserve will provide strong support for the company's long-term technology development and industrial expansion. On the opening day of August 19, Unitree Robotics opened at 1,100 yuan per share, a 629.44% increase from its issue price of 150.8 yuan per share, making it the stock with the highest opening day gain among new IPOs since 2026. Investors holding one subscription lot could immediately realize a profit of 474,600 yuan. Based on the total shares outstanding after issuance, 404.46434 million, the valuation corresponding to the offering price was 60.993 billion yuan. In recent years, the global technological industry landscape has undergone profound changes, with technological innovation becoming the core driving force for the high-quality development of economies across countries. Among them, the robot industry, as a core strategic industry integrating multiple fields such as artificial intelligence, precision manufacturing, automatic control, and new materials, is an important indicator for measuring a country's high-end manufacturing level and technological innovation strength. It covers various subsectors such as industrial robots, service robots, humanoid robots, and quadruped robots, and is widely applied in industrial production, public services, emergency rescue, scientific research exploration, commercial performances, and many other scenarios. In the high-end subsectors of high-performance general robots and quadruped robots, the enterprise with the highest market attention, the highest technical barriers, and the strongest global competitiveness is Unitree Robotics, which recently listed on the C-Tech Innovation Board of the Chinese stock market. Compared with traditional industrial robot enterprises that focus on production and manufacturing scenarios and humanoid robot enterprises that delve into service scenarios, Unitree Robotics precisely positions itself in the golden track of high-performance general quadruped robots, with a core foundation of quadruped robots, and extends to humanoid robots, core components, and embodied intelligent models across the entire industrial chain. With its full-stack self-developed core technology, global leading market share, and diversified scenario implementation capabilities, it has become the most growth-oriented and most technologically barrier-defying benchmark enterprise in China's robot industry, and also a key target of capital market attention as a high-tech core company. Unitree Robotics was founded in 2016 during the golden period of rapid development of China's innovative and entrepreneurial industries. Its headquarters is located in Hangzhou City, Zhejiang Province. It is a global high-tech enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of high-performance general quadruped robots, humanoid robots, dexterous robotic arms, and embodied intelligent models. Since its establishment, the company has always adhered to the development philosophy of full-stack self-research and independent technology, deeply exploring the core technologies of robots at the bottom layer. From motors, reducers, joint modules, motion control algorithms, to intelligent perception systems, embodied AI large models, and overall machine structure design, it has achieved 100% independent research and development of core software and hardware, completely breaking away from the dependence on overseas core components and algorithm technologies, and building a deep technical moat. After 10 years of deep industry exploration, Unitree Robotics has achieved a double lead in technology and market, and is the absolute leader in the global high-performance quadruped robot field. In terms of core products, the company has formed a mature product portfolio, covering two core categories: consumer-level and industry-level quadruped robots, and full-size humanoid robots. The company's Quadruped robot series has the industry-leading iteration speed, and has successively launched multiple hit products such as Go, Go 1, Go 2, and B series, suitable for various scenarios including civilian consumption, scientific research and education, industrial inspection, emergency rescue, and security patrol. By 2025, the cumulative sales of Unitree's quadruped robots have exceeded 33,000 units, and it has remained the top global market share for consecutive years. It is also the first enterprise in the world to achieve large-scale production and commercialization of high-performance quadruped robots. In the humanoid robot sector, Unitree Robotics achieved overtaking in curves. It independently developed full-size humanoid robot series H1 and G1 products, breaking through core technologies such as high compact body integration, high-precision motion control, and dynamic balance walking. By 2025, the number of humanoid robots shipped exceeded 5,500 units, with a global market share of 32.4%. Both the shipment volume and market share ranked first globally, with a production and sales rate exceeding 95%. It maintained a vigorous production and sales situation throughout the year. Compared with most enterprises in the industry still in the prototype testing stage, Unitree Robotics has taken the lead in achieving large-scale production, commercialization, implementation, and scenario application of humanoid robots, with its technical maturity and industrialization capabilities far ahead. With its top-notch product strength and technological influence, Unitree Robotics has repeatedly appeared on major national and international stages. It has successively taken part in top events such as the CCTV Spring Festival Gala, the opening ceremony of the Beijing Winter Olympics, the Hangzhou Asian Games, and the Super Bowl in the United States. It has showcased China's robot technology strength to the world, and has been frequently covered by authoritative media such as CCTV News broadcast, becoming one of China's powerful technological symbols. At the same time, the company's products are widely distributed to well-known universities, research institutions, and technology enterprises worldwide, and have extremely high recognition in the overseas market. The global layout has achieved remarkable results. In terms of operation, Unitree Robotics has demonstrated strong growth, resilience, and profitability. Amid the general losses in the robot industry, it was the first to achieve large-scale profitability. In the first half of 2026, the company achieved a revenue of 1.152 billion yuan, with its revenue scale continuing to grow at a high speed, and its profitability steadily improving. The stable revenue growth, leading market share, and continuous iterative core technologies have laid a solid foundation for the company to enter the capital market and achieve leapfrog development. At the same time, the company's shareholder lineup is impressive, featuring top strategic investors such as China's National Social Security Fund, DeepSeek, and Tencent, fully demonstrating the high recognition of the capital market and industry-leading institutions for the core value of Unitree Robotics. From the perspective of the use of the raised funds, this round of fundraising is highly focused on core technological innovation and industrial chain upgrading. All the funds are invested in 4 core projects, precisely aligning with the company's main business and long-term strategic layout. Specifically, the four major investment projects are the Intelligent Robot Model Research and Development Project, the Robot Body Research and Development Project, the New Intelligent Robot Product Development Project, and the Intelligent Robot Manufacturing Base Construction Project. Among them, the Intelligent Robot Model Research and Development Project has an investment of up to 2.022 billion yuan, accounting for nearly half of the total fundraising amount. It focuses on the construction of embodied intelligent large models, computing infrastructure, training data systems and development platforms, and strives to tackle the core technologies of the robot, brain. The Robot Body Research and Development Project has an investment of 1.110 billion yuan, concentrating on the research and development of robot core components, body structure, and motion control technology iterations. The New Intelligent Robot Product Development Project has an investment of 445 million yuan, used to enrich the product portfolio and expand specific application scenarios. The Intelligent Robot Manufacturing Base Construction Project has an investment of 624 million yuan, used to upgrade the mass production line, enhance the intelligent manufacturing capacity, and improve the industrialization layout. Overall, more than 85% of the fundraising funds for this project are specifically allocated to research and development, fully demonstrating the company's core strategy of deeply specializing in core technologies and adhering to independent innovation. Unitree's successful listing on the STAR Market is not only a milestone event for the company's own development, but also a major positive impact for China's robot industry, the hardcore technology sector, and the scientific and technological innovation ecosystem of the STAR Market. It will have a profound and significant influence on enterprise development, industrial upgrading, industry landscape, and the capital market, injecting new impetus for the high-quality development of China's high-end manufacturing and artificial intelligence industries. For the Chinese robot industry, the listing of Unitree Robotics will lead to technological iteration in the sector, accelerating the upgrading of the robot industry towards higher-end, more intelligent and larger-scale levels. As a global leader in both humanoid and foot-type robots, Unitree's full-stack self-developed technology route, commercialization implementation experience, and large-scale production model will provide mature references for the robot industry, driving more Chinese enterprises to focus on core technology breakthroughs, break free from low-end competition, and transform and upgrade towards the high-end general robot field. At the same time, the company's large-scale R&D investment will promote breakthroughs and popularization of core technologies such as embodied intelligence, precise servo, and bionic motion control, filling the technological gaps in China's high-end robot industry, accelerating the substitution of core robot components with domestic products, and improving the entire ecosystem of China's robot industry chain. From the perspective of the long-term development of the industry, this listing will accelerate the commercialization and global competition of China's embodied intelligent technology. Currently, the global humanoid robots and embodied intelligent industries are in a critical window period of transitioning from technical prototypes to large-scale commercial applications. According to IDC data, the global shipment of humanoid robots will exceed 510,000 units in 2030, and the market size will experience explosive growth. Unitree Robotics, leveraging its global leading product and technology advantages, combined with the capital empowerment from the capital market, is expected to be the first to achieve the large-scale application of general robots in various scenarios, covering industrial inspection, emergency rescue, people's livelihood services, scientific research and education, commercial services, etc., promoting the transformation of robots from specialized equipment to general intelligent terminals, and ushering in a new era of embodied intelligence. At the same time, relying on the global market layout, Unitree Robotics will represent Chinese robot enterprises to participate in global high-end technological competition, break the monopoly of overseas enterprises in high-end robots, and enhance China's voice and influence in the global artificial intelligence and robot industry. Of course, behind the rapid growth of the industry, the market also needs to view the development opportunities and potential challenges in the field rationally. Unitree's post-IPO price corresponds to a price-to-earnings ratio of approximately 219 times, and on the day of its initial public offering, the stock surged by 629.44% per share, placing it at a relatively high level within the industry. The high valuation indicates that the market has an extremely high expectation for its humanoid robots and embodied intelligence field. The future continuous realization ability of the enterprise's performance, the speed of industry technology iteration, and the changes in the competitive market landscape will all become the core factors affecting the long-term value of the enterprise. At the same time, the competition in the global high-end robot field is becoming increasingly fierce. Overseas technology giants are continuously increasing their investment in humanoid robot research and development, and the number of domestic enterprises entering the market is constantly increasing. The industry technology iteration is fast, and the R&D investment is high. The future market competition will become even more intense. However, it is undeniable that Unitree Robotics has built a solid competitive moat with its full-stack self-developed technical barriers, its leading industrialization advantages, and its leading market share. Its long-term growth logic is clear and definite. As a core sector where high-end manufacturing and artificial intelligence converge, the robotics industry serves as a key driver for the transformation and upgrading of China's manufacturing sector, and for achieving self-reliance and strength in science and technology. Having evolved from a state of dependence on foreign core technologies to full-stack autonomy and control, China's robotics industry has, through years of dedicated development, achieved both qualitative leaps and quantitative breakthroughs. The founding, growth, and IPO of Unitree Robotics serve as a vivid microcosm of the vigorous development of China's science and technology innovation sector, bearing witness to the transformative leap of China's cutting-edge technology, from catching up and keeping pace to taking the lead. Looking ahead, with continued support from capital markets, ongoing iteration of core technologies, and the continuous expansion of application scenarios, Unitree Robotics will remain committed to its founding principle of independent innovation. The company will deepen its focus on high-performance general-purpose robots and embodied intelligence, continuously pushing technological boundaries, refining the industrial ecosystem, and expanding into global markets. Leveraging its leadership position, Unitree Robotics will drive the high-quality development of China's robotics industry, help China maintain its leading position in global artificial intelligence and high-end manufacturing, and write a new chapter in China's science and technology innovation sector. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute investment advice. Please do your own research before making any financial decisions.